Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Simon's Cat meme coin. To buy this on your Trust wallet, to buy this coin is quite easy. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link is in the description of the video. Now simply scroll through till you find its contract address. Once you've copied it, scroll a bit more till you get to the market section. On the market section, you can find out where it's being traded. And one of the exchanges, that's the centralized exchanges that are trading the cat coin, is the KuCoin platform. So we're going to be working with KuCoin for the centralized exchange and PancakeSwap for the decentralized. So with this in mind, minimize and open up your KuCoin, which is the centralized exchange we're going to be working with for today's video. So click on KuCoin and make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. Alright guys, so in order to buy the Simon's Cat, you're going to need to have some USDT, which is the trading pair for the Simon's Cat. You're going to need some USDT to fulfill the transaction. Now you can get your USDT on your exchange through various methods, such as using the deposit option to simply deposit cryptocurrencies that you hold outside of KuCoin and then converting those cryptos into USDT. Or you could simply deposit fiat currency here like the Russian ruble, the euro, or the Brazilian real to get yourself some USDT. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some USDT on your wallet, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Where we have Sun USDT, click on Sun USDT and simply search for CAT. So CAT USDT is the Simon Cat. So click on Simon Cat USDT. Where we have limit, click on the limit trading option and select market. By using market, we get to buy at the current price of the market without having to set any technical analysis such as take profit and stop loss. Now with the amounts, just enter the amount of USDT you wish to spend to get the coin and simply click on buy. Once you've done that, you'd find it on your overview here. When you scroll to the funding or the trading option, you'd find that cryptocurrency here. So guys, that's how you can get it on a centralized exchange. If you're looking to get yourself some of the Simon's Cat on decentralized, minimize and open up a wallet. It could be the MetaMask wallet, the OKX Web3 wallet, or any Web3 wallet you have. For this tutorial video, I'll be going with the Trust wallet. So I'm going to be opening up the Trust wallet. With the Trust wallet open, if you could remember, we copied its BNB Smart Chain address, which means this token exists on the BNB Smart Chain. And as such, we're going to need BNB to complete the transaction. So when you click on BNB, make sure you have some Smart Chain BNB, which is this BNB here. If you do not, click on the receive option to receive it from your KuCoin or any centralized exchange that you hold an account. Or you could just simply click on the more icon and select the buy option here to buy with your credit card. All right, guys. So once you've gotten yourself some BNB, what can you do to get the Simon's Cat on your wallet? The first step would be to manually add the Simon's Cat to your wallet. You can do this by clicking on the icon at the top right and then clicking on Manage Crypto where it says the plus. Click on this option. The network is set to Ethereum, set it to BNB Smart Chain. Paste the contract address you had copied and then click on Import. So we've imported the Simon's Cat on our wallet. Now the next step would be to head over to the browser section. So click on Discover, which is the browser, and then simply search for PancakeSwap. Or you could scroll through the list of the apps and you'd find the PancakeSwap here. So just scroll through and select PancakeSwap. So once you selected the PancakeSwap, make sure you have some BNB, as I said earlier, to cover transactions. And make sure you connect your wallet. So you'd see the option to connect your wallet. Now move from the Ethereum network to the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've done this, where we have Cake, click on the drop down and paste the contract address we had just copied. So once you've pasted the contract address, simply click on the Simon's Cat. So click on Import and then enter the amount of BNB you wish to use. Once you've entered the amount of BNB you wish to spend, simply click on Swap to confirm the swap. So once you've clicked on Confirm Swap, proceed to accept the transaction in your wallet by clicking on either Confirm or Allow for the transaction to take place. So click on Confirm Swap and it's going to be confirming. All you need to do now is enter your biometrics or whatever security option is available and then proceed to allow the transaction to be completed. All right, so once the transaction is completed, simply close the browser and head back to your home section, perform a reload, and you'd find the Simon's cat on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.